If you want to invest into the shortlet market in Lagos, having just an ordinary apartment is not enough. You need something that makes your apartment unique. Just imagine owning a beachfront apartment. Owning an apartment right here in Ajah, not just any apartment, but the one facing the ocean. Imagine your evening walks right here in this lovely beach. So this is not just an apartment, it's a lifestyle. So we have nature right here, we have the water, we have horses. These are the things that makes your apartment unique and beautiful. And we have a beach club so your kids can play. We have swimming pool. We have everything right here. And also you do not have to worry about furnishing because it's already furnished for you. If you're into luxury shortlets and you don't have an ocean view apartment, well, you're missing. So today I am right here in Laguna apartment. So this is an ocean view apartment and I'll be showing you, I will be listing 1-bedroom apartment right here. The beautiful thing about this is it is ocean view. Yes, so you have access to see, you can see the ocean from here, and it has this long balcony that you can just sit down and reminisce about life. So it's ocean view apartment, and when you own an apartment here, you have lifetime access to the beach. So most people who key into this apartment are buying it because of one thing: shortlet. So these apartments are fully serviced apartments, and with this, do you know how much returns you're getting when you have something like this? And also you don't have to worry because the management will manage your apartment for you. So today I will be showing you this lovely 1-bed apartment right here in Laguna apartments in Laguna Beach. So join me on the tour. Hello, so welcome. So this is a tour of this 1-bedroom apartment. So this 1-bedroom apartment is very compact. So we have an open plan kitchen. So yeah, we have your hot plate, we have your microwave, we have all these things. So when if you buy this apartment, it's coming with everything. Yes, just this unit. Yeah, just this unit, because this apartment is actually sold out. So what we have right here is secondary sales. So it's coming with all these nice things, and we have this. You can see this is beautiful. So we have this television. This is almost 80 inches or 100 inches of television. It comes with a PS, because this was actually designed, furnished for shortlets. So we have this PS5, and yeah, we have a fridge right here. It's an ICES double door fridge. And we have this beautiful couch right here. We have this couch here. It's so beautiful. And we have this table right here. We have this, so we have a sliding door right here. I'm trying to find it. So okay, so we have a sliding door right here, and this sliding door leads to a balcony. So this balcony also connects to the bedroom. So we have this raftan chair and table right here, where you can sit down and enjoy. You can literally enjoy the ocean view, ocean breeze. So we have a toilet right here at this corner. So this is the toilet. So let's go inside. Yeah, we are at the ocean, we are at the beach. So there's no need for me to wear any slippers. So we're right here at this lovely bedroom. So like I said, everything you're seeing in this apartment, once you pay for it, is coming with it. And we have high quality stuff because this was designed for shortlets. So we have this lovely mat, we have this lovely chair, we have this lovely bed frame with this beautiful, oh my god, this is beautiful, this beautiful artwork. We have ACs, we have 2 ACs right here. We also have a small television. I think this will be 20 inches or so. So we have this here. We have a mirror here, side mirror, and we have wardrobes. So instead of you trying to buy apartments in Ologolo and the rest, you can buy this. This even earn more than those ones there, because this one is an ocean view apartment, and ocean view apartments are always expensive no matter where they are, and this one is even off the coastal road. So we have the wardrobes here, and we have the toilet right here. So the bathroom comes with toilets and cubicle and the rest. So let's go to the balcony. Okay, so you can see how quality the curtains are. These are Turkish curtains. So these are what's coming with this apartment. So in fact, this apartment is the definition of pay and parking. Right here, we are at this spot, and I'm looking at the breathtaking view. This ocean view is lovely. It's so beautiful. I'm going to take you to the ocean. So let us go to the beachfront. Let us go to the beachfront. Join me. This could be your view every morning. Or just imagine waking up to a lot every day because you invested in a beachfront apartment and it's fully serviced by the management of the Laguna Beach. So one unique thing about this is that this unit that I'm advertising is selling fully furnished, so you don't have to worry about furnishing your apartment. Everything you're seeing right here belongs to you when you fully pay. This apartment is even closer to town. Yeah, we just 3 minutes drive. You're the coastal road. That is how close this apartment is. This one bed apartment is generating as high as a 2-bedroom apartment will give you in Lekki phase 1. Why? Because it is a beachfront. And one thing about beachfront is that if you own your apartment, you own access to the beachfront. So anybody who books here have automatic tag to the beach, and that is an extra selling point for you. So this apartment is available for sales and is also available for bookings. So for booking, you can contact me, and for sale, you can also contact me. The asking price will be on the screen. If you want to get into the short-let business, this is the fastest and the most affordable beachfront you can ever get. It's saving you the stress of furnishing your house and the like. You can just pay and start running your short let. And also the management here at the Laguna Beach, they manage your apartment for you. It's fully serviced and your guests will be entertained and you will have a nice time here. And you, when you decide to come to Nigeria, you will also be entertained and have a nice time in your apartment. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Call me right away. If you're watching my video for the first time, please don't just like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you at the next property talk.